Welcome to Consumer Flix, your trusted source for the latest tech updates and drone insights. Helicopter today, we're diving into the DJI Mini 4 Pro leaks, everything you need to know about the rumored features, design, and potential release date. If you're as excited as we are for DJI's next big thing, stick around for all the juicy details. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest leaks and drone reviews. Design and portability. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro refines the lightweight and compact design of its predecessor, the Mini 3 Pro, making it even more portable for travel and outdoor adventures. While maintaining its under 250 g weight, the Mini 4 Pro features a more aerodynamic build and durable materials, improving overall handling and resistance to minor impacts. Its folding mechanism remains intuitive, ensuring it's ready to deploy at a moment's notice. The redesigned body also accommodates improved ventilation for better heat management, allowing for longer flights without overheating issues. Camera and image quality. The Mini 4 Pro elevates aerial photography with a new 48MP sensor, an upgrade from the 12MP sensor on the Mini 3 Pro. This enhancement allows for sharper images, better low-light performance, and 4K HDR video with richer color reproduction. The improved gimbal stabilization ensures smooth and professional quality footage, even in windy conditions, making it a versatile tool for content creators. Additionally, the wider aperture improves depth of field, offering cinematic visuals that are ideal for both casual and professional projects. The Mini 4 Pro's 48MP camera allows for more detailed and vibrant shots, with a significantly improved low-light performance compared to the Mini 3 Pro. Its ability to shoot 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second ensures smoother and more professional video content, appealing to both casual users and professionals looking to capture cinematic footage. Flight performance and battery life. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Building on the already impressive flight capabilities of the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 4 Pro offers extended flight time, reaching up to 40 minutes on a single charge. It features upgraded motors and propellers for enhanced stability and quieter operation. Additionally, the inclusion of omnidirectional obstacle avoidance improves safety, allowing for more confident flying in complex environments. Wind resistance has also been upgraded, making the drone reliable in challenging weather, a feature the Mini 3 Pro lacked to some extent. With an upgraded flight time of up to 40 minutes, the Mini 4 Pro outperforms the Mini 3 Pro in terms of endurance, allowing users to capture more footage in one flight. The enhanced stability and quieter operation, paired with omnidirectional obstacle sensors, ensures smoother flights, reducing the risk of collisions and improving safety during complex maneuvers. Intelligent flight features. The Mini 4 Pro introduces improved intelligent flight modes, such as Smart Follow 3.0 and enhanced waypoint navigation. These features allow for more precise tracking of subjects and greater customization in flight paths, surpassing the capabilities of the Mini 3 Pro. Quick shots and master shots have also been refined for smoother automation and creativity in capturing cinematic footage. New additions like gesture control enhance usability, making the drone accessible even to beginners looking for advanced control options without using the remote. Connectivity and control. DJI Mini 4 Pro. With the addition of DJI's O4 transmission system, the Mini 4 Pro offers an extended range and reduced latency compared to its predecessor. The upgraded remote controller provides a brighter display and customizable buttons, improving the overall flying experience. These connectivity improvements cater to both beginners and seasoned drone pilots. Additionally, the Mini 4 Pro supports dual-frequency transmission for more stable connections in areas with high signal interference, ensuring reliability during flights in urban settings. Value and target audience. The Mini 4 Pro offers significant upgrades over the Mini 3 Pro, making it a compelling option for hobbyists, travelers, and professional photographers alike. While priced higher, the enhanced features justify the cost for those seeking premium performance in a compact drone. The Mini 3 Pro remains a viable choice for budget-conscious users, but the Mini 4 Pro sets a new standard in the ultra-lightweight drone category. With its advanced features and compact form, it caters to a wide audience, from casual flyers to professionals who demand portability without compromising on performance. Sustainability and durability. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro incorporates eco-friendly materials and a more robust build, making it both environmentally conscious and reliable for extended use. These upgrades ensure durability in various weather conditions, outperforming the Mini 3 Pro in long-term resilience. Setup and user experience. With an improved setup process and a more intuitive DJI Fly app interface, the Mini 4 Pro ensures a seamless experience for new users. The enhanced tutorials and pre-flight tips make it easier than ever to start flying compared to the Mini 3 Pro. Audio capabilities. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro features an enhanced microphone system for capturing ambient sounds during flight, a feature missing in the Mini 3 Pro. This addition makes it ideal for creating immersive video content with synchronized audio. Sustainability focus. DJI has incorporated eco-friendly materials into the Mini 4 Pro's design, reflecting a commitment to sustainability. Its energy-efficient battery technology also reduces the overall environmental impact compared to previous models. Audio recording capabilities. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro introduces onboard audio recording, a feature absent in the Mini 3 Pro, allowing pilots to capture ambient sounds during flights for added immersion. This feature is especially beneficial for vloggers and casual filmmakers. Sustainability enhancements. DJI has incorporated more eco-friendly materials in the Mini 4 Pro's construction and packaging, emphasizing sustainability. This aligns with growing consumer demand for environmentally conscious tech products. Conclusion. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a significant upgrade over the Mini 3 Pro, offering enhancements in camera quality, flight performance, and intelligent features. Its improved design, extended battery life, and advanced obstacle avoidance make it a reliable choice for both beginners and professionals. While the Mini 3 Pro remains a solid option for budget-conscious users, the Mini 4 Pro sets a new benchmark for lightweight drones, delivering exceptional value for those seeking high-quality aerial photography and video in a compact package. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter, what are your thoughts on the DJI Mini 4 Pro leaks? Share your excitement in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates, reviews, and drone insights. See you in the next video.